I built a castle from your shadow. Every smile lit up my sky. But the truth is cold and hollow. You pass me by, you pass me by, yeah. I call your name in crowded rooms, but you can't hear, you never do. Every step I take toward you just disappears into the blue. It's just imaginary bliss, a dream I'm holding in my fist, a wave that dies before the shore. I love you, but you want no more. I love you, and you close the door. Paint your words in silver colors that you never meant to say. Every hope I've ever covered fades a little more each day. I call your name in quiet nights, but you can't feel. A sun that burns in the abyss, a wave that dies before the shore. I love you, but you want no more. I love you, and you close the door. If one day you turn around, you might there now. My hands grew tired, my heart grew still, and I let go against my will. It was imaginary bliss, a truth wrapped in a tender kiss, a wave that died before the shore. I loved you, but you I loved you, yet you closed the door.